Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillah. Today we discuss about IPT preparation. IPT preparation. So most of the materials will be taken from workbook. So you can prepare your workbook now. Workbook, not course book, but workbook. Because I want to directly to discuss about the question of Cambridge curriculum based on the workbook. I think maybe maybe a few times ago you ever discussed with Mrs. Riris, and now I want to giving amplification about the material of motion, motion or movement. Okay, directly I want to share my screen. This one. As usual, today I want to make interaktif ya. Seperti biasanya Ustaz Yuko akan selalu melibatkan kalian ya. To discuss about the materials. Today we discuss about measuring motion. Measuring motion. Not only know the pattern of motion, but also measuring the motion. We will measure the motion. It means that we have to know what is the distance, and then what is the time elapsed, and also what is the velocity or speed. Jadi kita bahas jarak, and then kecepatan, kelajuan, and also time, waktu yang dibutuhkan. Maybe you have ever got from Mrs. Riris about the concept, the differences between speed and velocity. Ya, mungkin kalian sudah pernah diajari Ustazah Riris terkait dengan perbedaan tentang speed, kelajuan, and velocity, kecepatan. Ya. But today we will not a lot of discuss about the theory, but we discuss about the case, the questions, directly. Okay. As usual, I need help from Mbak Mas Adiaska. Assalamualaikum. Mas Adiaska.
Waalaikumsalam.
Mas, please help me to read the text, Mas. Silakan dibaca. From top.
Dari unit 10, Tat.
Yes.
Unit 10. Measuring motion. Exercise 10.1, all about movement. This question will make you think about movement and how we can measure speed. The paragraph below describe a boy's journey to school.
Okay, thank you. Very good, Mas Diaska. Mas Adiaska. Okay, measuring motion, Today we not only know the pattern of motion, but also we measure the motion. These questions will make you think about movement and how we can measure speed. Jadi nanti dari pertanyaan-pertanyaan ini akan membuat kalian berpikir tentang movement, pergerakan and how we can measure speed, dan bagaimana kita bisa mengukur speed atau kelajuan. Okay, now I need help from Mbak Atta. Assalamualaikum Mbak Atta.
Ya.
Okay, please read the paragraph Mbak Atta.
Omar wasn't looking forward to school. He walked slowly along the road. Then he heard footsteps behind him. It was his friend Wahid, running to catch up with him.
Then, continue.
Together they walked to the corner of the street to wait for the bus. A car hurried past, throwing up clouds of dust. On the wall nearby, a spider was creeping along. A lizard dashed out and caught the spider. Omar saw an aircraft flying overhead, leaving a white vapor trail. He thought it would be good to fly so high or even to zoom off to Mars in a speeding spacecraft.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Yeah, based on the aim, yeah, this question will make you think about movement and how we can measure speed. Okay, the paragraph below describe a boy's journey to school. Yeah, maybe when you was going to school. Yeah, this is the description of boy's journey to school. Omar wasn't looking forward to school. He walked slowly along the road. Then he heard footsteps behind him. It was his friend Wahid running to catch up with him. Nah, ini kemudian nanti ada pertanyaan. In the paragraph above, draw a circle around all the words that show that something is moving. Ya, saya baca dulu lagi, saya ulangi Mbak Atta. Together, they walk to the corner of the street to wait for the bus. A car hurried past, throwing up clouds of dust. On the wall nearby, a spider was creeping along. A lizard dashed out and caught the spider. Yeah. Omar saw an aircraft flying overhead, leaving a white vapor trail. He thought it would be good to fly so high, or even to zoom off to Mars in a speeding spacecraft. Pertanyaannya yang pertama adalah in the paragraph above, pada paragraf di atas, draw circle around all the words that show that something is moving. Jadi kita itu apa ya? Kadang tidak memahami instruction. Kita harus we have to understand the instruction. Actually, the question or the case that we have to solve is simple, but sometimes because of we don't know the instruction, we give a wrong answer. Jadi sebenarnya instruksi atau pertanyaan itu kadang mudah, cuman karena kita kurang memahami instruksi, tidak memahami pertanyaan, kadang kita memberikan jawaban yang salah. Padahal kalau menurut Mbak Lila, itu yang A itu disuruh ngapain sih sebenarnya?
Dilingkari kata-kata yang menunjukkan sesuatu itu yang bergerak, kayak walking, running gitu. Kalau menurut saya kayak gitu.
Okay. The words that show that something is moving. Okay. Jadi walk ya. Kemudian apa Mbak tadi Mbak? Running.
Walk, running, terus
Catch up. Enggak.
creeping, dash, caught, terus fly.
Oke.
Terus
saya bunderi ya. Bentar.
ya,
Wait, the first apa Mbak? Walk ya?
He walk.
Walk.
Ya, walk. Terus itu running.
Running.
Terus walked to the corner itu.
Okay, they walk to the corner.
Terus creeping. The spider was creeping along.
Oh ya, creeping.
Dash. Iya dah.
Apa?
Dash. A lizard dash.
Dash out itu apa ya?
Kayak nge-zoom, kayak seret gitu loh. Bukan kayak apa ya?
Oke.
Kayak banter gitu.
Kau juga ya, nangkep ya. Nangkep juga bergerak kan ya?
Iya, cut. Terus flying.
Flying, oke.
Terus leaving itu ya dah. Leaving a white paper trail.
Living itu cenderung apa ya? Ini loh apa namanya? Kayak apa namanya?
Ya, tapi
Aircraft
itu
itu kan biasanya mengeluarkan enggak apa yang putih itu.
iya.
Apa?
Iya, tapi itu something is moving. Show that
Yang
something is
moving
moving
itu
apa?
anunya,
Aircraft.
ya. Kalau
Aircraftnya.
vapor trailnya kan ditinggal diem. Maybe the other.
Jadi dilingkarin.
To fly so high, ya.
Zoom off.
Zoom off. Zoom off itu apa sih? Mengecil, menjauh.
Iya, menjauh.
To march in a speeding spacecraft. Okay, thank you Mbak Lila for sharing.
Yeah.
And then I go to point B. I need help from From Mas Dharma. Mas Dharma, please read point B, Mas Dharma.
In the space below, list all the things that are moving from the fastest to the slowest.
Okay, thank you. In the space below, list all the things that are moving from the fastest to the slowest. Berarti we have to list ya, kita daftar ya. Pertama yang fastest dulu. Yang paling cepat berarti apa Mas? Flying, walk, running. Apa? Creeping, apa? Yang paling cepat?
Flying, Mbak.
Flying, very good ya. Semuanya setuju ya?
Tapi kalau dash out apa, Ustaz?
Gimana?
Dash out.
Dash out. Dash out itu gimana sih?
Kayak banter ya, seret gitu gak sih?
Oke.
Kayak dash.
Jet ya? Kayak pesawat jet itu ya?
Sebentar.
Iya sih. Dash off. Dash out. A lizard dash out. Oke. Flying. Kalau flying itu ya fly, terbang ya. But we don't know the speed, so it's difficult to decide that dash out is faster than flying. Yeah. If the flying, fast and it depend on the speed or the velocity. So yeah, sometimes we.
Zoom off apa? Kalau zoom off, banter gak sih?
Yeah. Yeah, this is about language ya. Jadi ini terkait dengan bahasa. Oke lah. Ini akan ada perkembangan kayak gini nih, flying juga zoom off juga fly juga ya.
Zoom off itu kayak sampai hilang gitu kan, sampai nggak kelihatan.
Gitu ya.
Okay. Antara dash, zoom, enggak fly.
Berarti zoom dulu, baru dash out, terus fly.
Running sama fly.
Running nomor 2 dari bawah. Kalau paling bawah walk ya. Di atasnya walk, running. Creeping itu
bawahnya walk.
Iya, merayap apa?
Iya.
Kalau merayap yang cepat gimana? Zet gitu.
Creeping along.
Iya, creeping along. Oke. Ya. Ini agak sulit ya yang B ya.
The spider banter apa cepet?
Ya. Oke. So that's why this case make us thinking to decide who is the fastest and who is the slowest. If we go back to the materials, unit 10 is measuring motion. Ya, measuring motion. Jadi pengukuran gerak. So we feel difficult to decide or to judge something faster, something slowest without value. Yeah. Fast or velocity is a quantity. The magnitude of the quantity shows by value and also based on the unit. Jadi sebenarnya kita kan bahas besaran nih. Besaran itu tidak bisa ditentukan besar atau kecil if there is no value. Kalau nggak ada nilainya. Oke, dia terbang. Kalau terbang terbang pelan-pelan kan juga bisa. Tapi kalau terbang cepat juga bisa. So depend on the velocity or speed, ya. Ya, maybe will be discussed after this slide, ya. Okay. Now I want to Mbak Aisyah, assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Mbak Aisyah, please read the question number 2, Mbak.
Imagine that you are in a car driving along a main road. Along the road there are signs telling you how far it is to the next town. At the roadside there may be marker posts every 100 meters. Describe how you could use this road sign to work out the average speed of the car.
Thank you very much. Please keep your mic on, Mbak Aisyah. We will discuss. Imagine that you are in a car driving along a main road. Jadi kita disuruh berimajinasi kita berada dalam mobil yang dikemudikan di jalan. Along the road there are signs telling you how far it is to the next town. Jadi biasanya mau ke Surabaya kurang sekian kilometer lagi. And the roadside, pada sisi jalan, there may be marker posts every 100 meters. Jadi di samping-samping itu ada marker, ada penandanya, ya, ada penandanya setiap 100 meter. Setiap 100 meter ada itu lagi, ya, every 100 meters. Describe how you could use these road signs to work out the average speed of the car. Bagaimana Mbak Aisyah kira-kira? Deskripsikan how you could use these road signs to work out the average speed of the car. Mbak Aisyah?
Gak tahu.
Kamu deskripsikan bagaimana kamu bisa menggunakan rambu atau road signs atau tanda-tanda di jalan itu untuk menentukan average speed, kecepatan kelajuan rata-rata dari mobil. Kira-kira gimana, Mbak? Bisa nggak dari marker post yang every 100 meters itu, kemudian kita mengatakan, kita kelihatannya berjalan cepat, kita kelihatannya berjalan lambat. Bisa nggak dari situ, Mbak Aisyah?
Bisa. Bisa.
Bisa. Bagaimana kok bisa? Caranya gimana?
Gak tahu.
Oke. Semakin cepat marker post every 100 itu lewat, berarti kita semakin cepat atau semakin lambat, Mbak Aisyah?
Gimana?
Kalau ini ada marker ya, terus ini mobil kita. Semakin cepat bergeraknya penanda 100 meter di samping jalan itu, kira-kira mobil kita ini semakin cepat atau semakin lambat?
Semakin cepat.
Semakin cepat. Oke, that's good. Kalau jalan dari atau gerakan yang kita lihat di samping jalan itu kok tambah lambat. Berarti mobil kita semakin cepat atau lambat?
Lambat.
Ya, oke. Describe how you could use these road signs to work out the average speed of the car. Jadi kamu bisa setiap 100 meter itu gimana caranya? Gampang aja. Ketika ada pos, kita langsung bawa stopwatch ya. Tek. Ada pos lagi, stop. Kan kita tahu the distance is 100. and then the time can be taken from our stopwatch. Jadi kita tahu kelajuannya. Mbak Aisyah,
Yeah.
are you with me? Oke. Jadi 100 pertama, oh ternyata 5 detik. And then the second part of the road sign or marker every 100 itu ternyata 5 detik, kemudian 10 detik, kemudian 5 detik, kemudian 7 detik. Gitu. Do you understand, Mbak Aisyah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the road sign, the marker post every 100 meters can be as what is that, reference to measure the velocity or the speed of our car. We can measure the speed of our movement. Jadi itu pergerakannya bisa dihitung, ya, measuring motion. Jadi kita ini menghitung gerak motion. Jadi even though we don't know or we not measure the distance between using barometer maybe, but we know that the distance 100 by marker post, ya, dengan pos tanda-tanda pos setiap 100 meter. Biasanya di jalan tol kan ada itu jaraknya sekian sekian sekian, pasti berulang kan? Ya, dari situ from that sign we know that the distance that we have passed. Berapa jarak yang sudah kita tempuh kan? Oh, setiap segini itu 100 meter. Berapa detik ya? Iseng misal pakai HP, tek. Ketika ada saya langsung tek. Mulai kemudian ada lagi tek. Oh, 5 detik. Oh, berarti mobil saya itu 100 meter per detik atau katakanlah 5 detik berarti 100 meter bagi 5 detik. Berarti 20 meter per detik. Setiap every 20 meters we need time about 1 second. It means that 20 meters per second. Jadi setiap detik 20 meter, setiap detik 20 meter. That is the velocity, ya. Okay, thank you Mbak Aisyah. And now please prepare yourself, take your book or maybe papers or notebook, and also using pencil or pen to try answer this question. Maybe there are some questions. Okay, now we start with number 1, exercise 10.3, calculation involving speed. This exercise will give you practice in calculating speed, distance, and time. Take care with units. Speed may be in meter per second or kilometer per hour. Before starting, ya, latihan ini akan memberikan kamu praktek, ya, dalam menghitung kelajuan, speed, jarak, distance, and time, waktu. Take care with units. Hati-hati dengan satuan, jangan sampai keliru. Speed may be in meter per second or kilometer per hour. Jadi nanti kelajuan bisa jadi dalam satuan meter per detik atau kilometer per jam. Okay, now saya akan, ya, I need help from Mbak Gisela Aulia. Assalamualaikum Mbak Gisela. Mbak Gisela, assalamualaikum. Oke, maybe. Oke. Mas Ical, assalamualaikum Mas Ical. Halo, assalamualaikum. Mas Ical. Oke, kalau gitu Mas Fatur, Assalamualaikum Mas Fatur. Halo? Oke, wis kalau gitu Mas Dharma. Assalamualaikum Mas Dharma.
Ya, selamat.
Kemudian juga Majelis Ulama Indonesia pun juga telah mengeluarkan pernyataan bahwa vaksin Sinovac ini halal dan suci.
Maybe dikurangi suaranya Mas Dharma.
Keamanan dan
Yang anunya apa? Lagi dengerin apa mungkin? Dibaca Mas Dharma, number 1. Please read number 1.
yang diprioritaskan pertama.
A bird flies 75 meter in 50 seconds. Calculate its speed.
Kemudian
Oke. 75 meter itu apa Mas?
75.
Ya, maksudnya apa ini? Jarak, kecepatan, atau waktu?
Untuk vaksinasi sama seperti imunisasi yang sebelumnya.
Jarak, Pak.
Jarak atau distance ya, tak kasih D ya. And then 15 second. What is 15 second?
Waktu.
Dan lain sebagainya.
T ya.
Oke.
Ini yang dilakukan oleh badan
Ini kadang juga enggak D tapi S ya. Oke.
di gejala
T-nya T kecil, sorry.
tadi setelah
Ya.
ditunggu selama 30 menit.
Oke, now calculate the speed. Its speed Mas.
Yang
Speed berarti apa?
Dibagi, Pak.
Sama dengan apa?
M kan
S plus
bagi T.
masyarakat yang juga turut serta divaksin hal ini
Yo, berapa?
bukan bahwa
S-nya berapa?
S-nya 75.
5. Oke, satuannya meter ya. And then what is the time?
15.
15.
5 juta orang yang akan di
The unit is second ya.
Second.
herd immunity atau kekebalan.
So what is the speed, Mas?
5.
5?
Baik, terima kasih. Pak.
Are you sure?
Enggak, selalu bertugas kembali.
Kan dibagi.
Yeah, very good. 5. And the unit is meter?
Meter per second.
Second. Very good. Okay, thank you. Number 2. Chelsea, Assalamualaikum Chelsea. Mbak Chelsea.
Ya.
Mbak Chelsea, please help Ustadz Yugo. Read number 2, Mbak
Kenapa?
Chelsea. Read
Kenapa?
number 2.
Read number 2.
Yes.
A bus travel from one city to another a distance of 18 km. It takes 6 hours. Calculate its average speed on the journey.
Okay. This is 80 kilometers, 80 kilometer, and takes 1.6 hours. Calculate its average speed on the journey. Berarti gimana Mbak? Sama dengan ini ya, Mbak Chelsea.
Ya,
Berarti 80, 80, terus
calculate its average speed
per
per 1,6.
1,6. Berapa?
Bentar.
Ayo, please help me. Calculate the result. What is the speed if the distance 80 and the time is
60.
1.6? Berapa?
50.
Okay, very good. 50 ya?
Ya,
50 and the unit Mbak Chelsea apa? Kilometer
unitnya kilometer
per
per S.
per 8 hour.
Ya,
Yeah. Okay, you understand, everyone? Okay. Okay, we continue with the number 3. We go to Mbak Lila. Okay, Mbak Lila, number 3, Mbak Lila.
A spider runs along the top of a wall at speed of 0.24 meters per second. How far will it run in 5 seconds?
How far?
0.24
Yes.
multiplied by 5.
Oh, very good. So,
1.2 meters in 5 seconds.
so
1.2 meters in 5 seconds. So the spider will run 1.2 meters in 5 seconds.
okay, 5 multiplied with 4 is 20 ya. And then 2. Yeah.
Why?
Like this.
1.2 meters.
Yeah, 5 with this one, 10. 10 and 2,
Uh,
and then 1 point.
1.2 meters.
Okay, very good. 1.2 meters. Okay, very good. I think so easy for us, yeah. Okay, number 4. I go again with Mbak Atta Putri. Assalamualaikum Mbak Atta.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, number 4. Please read Mbak Atta.
An advertisement for new car states that its top speed is 180 km per hour. If it could travel at this speed for 3 hours, how far would it go?
So, how far?
60 kilometers.
Yeah, 6,
60.
60. Okay. This one, Mbak Atta, this one is speed, Mbak. This is the speed, and this is the time. And how far? How far is distance? Yeah. So the question is about distance, Mbak Atta. Yeah. So the distance is equal with apa? Speed
Multiply by times.
multiply. Are you sure? Speed
Yes.
multiply ya.
Yeah.
Okay, not divided ya. Speed multiply by time ya. Berarti berapa, Mbak?
540.
80 multiply with
3.
3. So the result is
540.
like this ya. Okay, and the unit is
Kilometer.
hmm?
Kilometer.
Okay, very good. Okay, now we go to number 5 and I need help from siapa ya yang belum ya? Mbak Konita masih di situ, Mbak Konita? Okay, Mas Adiaska, I need your help to read number 5, please.
Ahab has been sent to the shop by his mother. The shop are 1,200 meters from his home. If Ahab can run at an average speed of 6 meters per second, how long will it take him to reach the shop?
Okay, thank you. Very good. So, how long will it take him to reach the shop, Mas? We know that the distance is 1,200 meters, and then the speed, the average speed is 6 meters per second. So how long will it take him to reach the shop? it means that time is asked. Mas Diaska? Mas Adiaska? Oke, I'll help you. Berarti apa Mas? T sama dengan T
T
equal
sama
with
dengan
mm-mm,
T equal distance dibagi itu apa, Tat?
divided by
Speed.
speed of velocity ya, speed. Oke. So 1,200 snit, ya kan?
Ya,
Meter per
6 meter per second.
per second. So, what is the result? How long will it take him? How long will it take him to reach?
200.
Huh?
Sebentar.
200.
Yes,
Okay, very good. And the unit is?
minute. Second.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Mas Adiaska. Okay, now, okay, help me to read number 6, Mbak Gisela.
Bentar. A Japanese bullet train can travel at
It's okay.
300 km per hour.
Yes.
How long will it take to cover a section of track 118 km in length?
Okay. So we know that the track or the distance is 180 kilometers, and then the speed, the speed or the velocity is 300 kilometers per hour, per hour. How long will it take to cover a session? Berarti nyari apa, Mbak Gisela? Mbak Gisela, di-on-kan aja mic-nya. Mbak Gisela.
Ya,
Berarti nyari apa?
nyari
Times, isn't it? Okay, 300 itu apa? What is the 300 kilometers per hour? Kira-kira 300-nya apa? Distance ya? Distance. Speed ya, Mbak Gisela? Mbak?
iya.
Oke, and then 180 itu apa? Distance ya. So, times like this one, seperti ini, ya. Time sama dengan berapa, Mbak? Distance, yaitu 180 km dibagi apa?
Dibagi
apa?
300.
Ya, 300. Okay, do you understand? Mbak, halo?
Oh, iya.
Do you understand, Mbak Gisela?
Ya.
Okay, very good. Yeah, actually there are some question more, but I think the time is limited. Maybe we discuss for the next meeting. Before I close this meeting, any question, Mbak Lila, Mas Dharma, and the others maybe?
Panjangannya S waktu di distance itu apa? Kan kayak SVT kan, kepanjangannya apa?
Ya, sebenarnya begini ya, ada distance, ada displacement. Nah, nanti kita bahas distance sama displacement, terus kalau speed itu sama velocity. Kalau speed itu apa namanya? Okay, everyone, thank you for your attention, and I hope we meet again at a better condition. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.